People always ask me, how do I tell a full visual story? And my answer is always another question. What is a story? There's a quote that I love that says, story, as it turns out, was crucial to our evolution as a species. At its most basic level, a story is broken down into 5 sections. Each story will have different pieces of the puzzle. An opener is an image that brings people into the setting. It sets the tone. It creates a sense of intrigue, wonder, awe, mystery. I want you to search for unexpected perspectives. I use that quote by Jordan Peele, I'm obsessed with giving the audience something they don't see coming. And that's not always easy in still photography. But if you think along those lines, you're gonna come up with more creative images. If you need help preparing to be in the field and translate your adventures into imagery that has the intent from the start, that's why I'm here. From your backyard to the top of Everest, I'm going to walk you through the process of dissecting a story into digestible segments. And I hope you can take these skills to become a storyteller that you imagine in your head, somebody that can share an adventure and go beyond the adventure into purpose. Everything in our lives is shaped and informed by the stories that we tell. They are literally our barometer and our compass. And there's a profound responsibility in storytelling because of that. This is Rome. Find your adventure and live with purpose.